Collective research. Active fundamental research in global capital markets. Make informed decisions.
M&S was founded in 1884 by Michael Marks and Thomas Spencer in Leeds. M&S currently has 959 stores across the UK, including 615 that only sell food products, and through its television advertising, asserts the exclusive nature and luxury of its food and beverages. It also offers an online food delivery service through a joint venture with Ocado.
Other services. In addition to the main retail business, M&S partners with other companies to provide additional M&S branded services, M&S Bank, financial services and credit products, operated by HSBC UK M&S Energy, domestic gas and electricity supply, operated by Octopus Energy M&S Opticians, operated by Owl Optical.
Criticism and controversies. Anti-Israel protests. Marks & Spencer has been repeatedly targeted and boycotted by anti-Israel protesters during the Arab League boycott of Israel. In 2014, it was reported that the Marble Arch branch was picketed weekly by protesters objecting to the sale of Israeli goods. Comprehensive spending review. In October 2010, Chairman Sir Stuart Rose was a signatory to a controversial letter to the Daily Telegraph which claimed that the private sector should be more than capable of generating additional jobs to replace those lost in the public sector, and the redeployment of people to more productive activities will improve economic performance, so generating more employment opportunities despite recent job cuts of 1,000 staff. Contactless payment issues. Some Marks & Spencer customers claim that the chain's contactless payment terminals have taken money from cards other than the ones intended for payment. Contactless cards are supposed to be within about 4 centimeters of the front of the terminal to work. M&S investigated the incident and confirmed the new system had been extensively tested and was robust. It had recently rolled out the contactless payment system, provided by Visa Europe, to 644 UK stores. Muslim checkout staff policy. In December 2013, Marks & Spencer announced that Muslim checkout staff in the UK could refuse to sell pork products or alcohol to customers at their till. The policy was announced after at least one news outlet reported that customers waiting with goods that included pork or alcohol were refused service and were told by a Muslim checkout worker to wait until another till became available. The policy applied across all 703 UK M&S stores and prompted a strong backlash by customers. A company spokesman subsequently apologized and stated that they will attempt to reassign staff whose beliefs may impact their work to different departments, such as clothing. Hijab as school uniform. Marks & Spencer introduced a hijab in its section of school uniforms in late 2018 and subsequently faced a backlash and boycott from some customers. The product is stocked for girls as young as 3.
Sales. Sales have fluctuated over the years, reaching a peak in 2022 at $14,866.87 and a low in 2021 at $11,978.40. There's an overall increasing trend in sales from 2019 to 2022, followed by a decrease in 2023. Net income. There was a substantial loss in 2021, minus $259,0434, which might have been a result of various factors such as increased expenses or other one-time events. The company recovered in 2022 with a positive net income of $418,7543, but in 2023, it decreased to $438,006. Operating income. Operating income also shows a similar pattern to net income, with a significant dip in 2021, $40.165 million, and recovery in the following years. The peak in operating income is observed in 2022 at $781.5107 million. Operating income in 2023 is $620.8496 million, which is lower than the peak but still higher than the years 2019 and 2020.
Total assets. Total assets have shown an increasing trend from 2019 to 2022, peaking at $12,897.8 million in 2022. However, in 2023, there's a decrease in total assets to $10,965.58 million. This reduction might be due to various factors such as divestitures, write-downs, or changes in the company's investment strategy. Total liabilities. Total liabilities have generally increased over the years, with a peak in 2022 at $8,912.528 million. In 2023, there's a decrease in total liabilities to $7,572.779 million. A lower total liabilities figure is generally positive as it indicates potentially lower financial risk. Debt-equity ratio. The ratio has fluctuated over the years. It was highest in 2021 at 1.7905, indicating a higher reliance on debt to finance operations. In 2023, it decreased to 1.2889, which suggests a reduced reliance on debt compared to 2021.
Quick ratio. The quick ratio has varied over the years. It was highest in 2022 at 0.62 and lowest in 2021 at 0.42. In 2023, the quick ratio is 0.51, indicating that the company has 51 cents in liquid assets for every $1 of current liabilities. This suggests a moderate ability to meet short-term obligations using readily available assets. Current ratio. Similar to the quick ratio, the current ratio has fluctuated over the years. The highest value is in 2022 at 0.92, and the lowest is in 2020 at 0.66. In 2023, the current ratio is 0.8, suggesting that the company has 80 cents in current assets for every $1 of current liabilities. This also indicates a moderate ability to cover short-term obligations.
P/E ratio. In 2023, the P/E ratio is 9.5, which is lower than the previous 2 years, 10.2 in 2022 and minus 14.6 in 2021. The negative P/E ratio in 2021 suggests that the company reported a negative earnings per share. This could be due to a net loss or other factors affecting earnings. P/S ratio. The P/S ratio has varied over the years, with the lowest value in 2020 at 0.1901 and the highest in 2019 at 0.4379. In 2023, the P/S ratio is 0.2713, indicating that investors are paying 27 cents for every dollar of the company's sales.
M&S is a good investment. Reduction in debt-equity ratio and total liabilities, indicating efforts to strengthen the company's financial position. The company exhibits strengths in certain financial metrics, such as a moderate liquidity position, favorable ROE, and a reduction in the debt-equity ratio. ROE is at 14.86%, indicating a reasonable return on equity. Net margin and operating margin are at 3.39% and 5.14%, respectively, suggesting moderate profitability. Asset turnover of 1.39 indicates efficient use of assets in generating sales. If you would like us to research a stock, please tweet at Collective REC or leave a comment here.
Like and subscribe for potential investment ideas. Become a member at www.collective-research.com.
Receive investment ideas before they are published.
Collective research. Active fundamental research in global capital markets. Make informed decisions.